So, this code is about calculator. At ito po yung enter your first number, enter your second number. Andito naman po siya kung paano nag-solve. And ito naman yung kung paano siya lalabas. So, let's run. And yan. So, mag-enter ka lang. So, dyan na po siya lalabas yung addition. Pag pinag-plus mo, 45 plus 23 is 68. And yung subtraction is 22. At yung multiplication is 1035. And yung divisions. And yung modulus. And yung exponentation. So, yan po, ma'am. Get with the all po.